Whoa, look how far that goes. I know, but for a 5-year-old, that's pretty good. Look at the size of my arms. But my age would do that far too. Good job. Yeah. Good job.